Welcome to the how-to. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how-to videos. So now let's go. How to become a real estate agent, tips and tricks. The internet has opened many doors for the average person, and many people are asking how to become a real estate agent. With so many realtors advertising their services over the internet, it's no wonder that people are confused as to how to get started in this field. Unfortunately, there is no one secret way to become a realtor. However, there are a number of different tips and tricks that can help you get started. These tips will also help you gain the necessary knowledge and skills to succeed in this job. If you have been contemplating a career as a real estate agent, it's a good idea to have a general understanding of what it takes to be successful. One of the most common misconceptions when it comes to realtors is that they only need to sell houses. However, they do so much more than that. There are a number of different professions that a realtor can choose from in order to gain experience. For example, some realtors work with investors while others work for mortgage companies. However, each of these different careers requires a unique set of skills and knowledge that most people don't have. Real estate agents usually learn everything they need to know about real estate before they start. They learn about property values, current trends, market fluctuations, and many other important aspects of the real estate business. The key to becoming a successful realtor is learning the basics and then taking the time to master them. It's very important to keep in mind that there is a lot to learn, but once you master this skill, you'll be able to find many different ways to use it. To become a real estate agent, you must first have the right mindset. When thinking about how to become a realtor, it's important to remember that this is not just another job like any other. You need to have an attitude that real estate is a very serious business, and you need to treat this as if it is your own business. This type of attitude can greatly help you succeed in the business, and it can even lead to great financial success. After you've developed an attitude, the next step in becoming a real estate agent is finding a real estate agency that will accept you. Before you do this, though, it's important to take all of your real estate licensing classes so that you will know how to properly work with clients. Once you've become licensed, you can sign on with a real estate agency and begin working for that particular agency. In addition to that, you'll also be able to find out what types of real estate you want to specialize in. Once you've learned the basics and have all of your paperwork all signed off on, the next thing you need to do is get out there and start looking for a real estate. Many realtors work with real estate agents who act as brokers or in charge of a group, so it's important to realize that you will have to deal with multiple people in order to be successful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how-to.